you folks, today we are starting with our days in a week. In the previous lecture we have learned about the greetings, and now we are going to learn about the days in a week. That is, first is Monday, Lundi, okay? Lundi. Second one is Tuesday, that is Mardi, okay? Mardi. We have translated here in Hindi also, so you can see from there. Now, the Wednesday, it's Mekridi, okay? Mekridi. The Thursday, that is Juladi, okay? Juladi. Now, the Friday, Vendradi, okay? Vendradi. Now, Saturday, that is Samadhi, okay? Samadhi, okay? Now, last one, that is Sunday, Dimanche, Dimanche. So, these all are the days in a week. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.